So it is for my son who is 9. We got it for him because the school recommended several times that they wanted him to have a one-on-one person sitting at his desk telling him, pay attention, get back on task, whatever. And me and my husband just strongly felt that that was just not good for our son, that it would kind of ostracize him. And it has really helped him a lot. He went from needing a lot of reminders because we have it on the adaptive mode to like constantly having to be told to get on task, to it decreased quite a bit. And he was able to stay on task a lot. And it was a good, very unobtrusive way for us to help him get those reminders that the teacher wanted from a physical person. And he gets to just wear a watch that everybody else thinks is just a Fitbit. It was really good because sometimes the feedback from the school wasn't always completely helpful for us. And so it kind of gave us a little sneak peek into his behavior during the day, every day, without, I mean, honestly, I wouldn't want to invade the teacher's privacy by having like, you know, a video or something in a room to see how he's doing, but it kind of gave us a one-on-one view of how he's doing at school and how things are progressing for him. Actually, his grades this year have been a lot better. He's gone from unsatisfactories and needs improvements to satisfactories, lots of satisfactories, and he's even gotten a couple of commendeds, which are just, I never thought I'd see the day we'd see it commended on his report card.